welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a jewelry unboxing. This jewelry unboxing is especially for the anxious girlies and general fidgeters like myself. So I really wanted to thank Ideaure for sponsoring today's video. Ideaure makes a ton of fidget rings. They so kindly let me pick some out. They also make some other jewelry as well, but without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing. So this is my package. It just arrived today. This also shipped from Florida, so it really didn't take long to get here at all. I'm in southern Maine. Each piece comes in a branded box like this. I don't really know which piece is which, so we're just kind of going for it here. But each piece also comes in its own little dust bag for storage and travel. It also comes with a little cleaning cloth, so that's also super helpful. Oh my goodness. You guys, I didn't see that there was a card. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I've never gotten a card from a brand before. That's so nice. Oh my gosh, wait. Matthew, that's so nice. Okay, that's really sweet. I've never gotten a card from a brand before. That's really nice. Okay, maybe I should have like really looked in here before just like going for it. Anyways, moving on. These little pouches are also branded, and I feel like I know what this one is. Yeah, okay, wait, I want to come back to this one. So this is the branded pouch. It's super cute. This is the Fosta spinner ring. So as you can see, this piece in the middle spins. And it is sterling silver too, so you don't have to worry about it tarnishing or turning your finger green or anything like that. Oh my gosh, I think my fingers are swollen. So it just goes right on your finger, and then you can sit there and just fidget. So if you work a desk job like I do, where you're sitting at your desk all day, sometimes I have a really bad habit of like touching my hair, picking at my skin, picking at my nails, picking at like everything, just, you know what I mean? So I feel like this will be super helpful, super nice, so that I can literally stop touching my hair, my skin, my nails, all of that. I'm really excited about this. This one comes in silver, gold, and rose gold. So that's super cute, whatever your preference is. Also online they showed you can stack them, like you can mix metals and stack them, so it's super satisfying, and like the noise it makes is also super satisfying. So the next piece I got is called the Belanca spinner ring, and this one I really like the design of it, and it reminded me of this other more expensive ring that's very similar. I didn't know how much I would wear that ring, so I figured this was a much more affordable alternative that basically serves the same purpose for me, which is being a fidget ring. So basically this one, you just stack it. So it looks like this. It's like 3 rings with these little jump rings holding it together. And this middle silver one has little sparklies. So basically how you wear it is you just stack it up like this. So here it is all stacked up, and then you just wear it as a stack. So you wear it as a stack like that, and now you can fidget with the little jump rings, and it's just a different kind of fidget ring that isn't really a spinner, but you can still mess around with it, spin the little jump rings and all of that. I really like it a lot, and I really like the little sparklies that it gives. Okay, last but not least, I guess I wasn't really thinking about this necklace when I decided to wear this dress today, but this is the Zolia necklace, and it's again sterling silver. It's 18 inches, but they have other sizes, other lengths available as well. And I really like the design of this because I feel like I've been seeing charm necklaces everywhere, and I figured this would be perfect for adding charms to. Like the chain links are perfect, or you can wear it on its own, and it's beautiful on its own as well. And because it's sterling silver, you don't have to worry about it tarnishing or anything like that. It's so pretty. Anyways, all of these pieces will be linked in the description. So all of Ideaure's pieces are made with 100% recycled sterling silver and 14 karat plated gold. They're also hypoallergenic. They also meet the environmental standard for lead and nickel, and they are cadmium free. All of the cubic zirconia, such as the one found in this ring, are sustainably sourced and conflict free. Also, the beautiful packaging that their jewelry comes in is recycled, and the inserts come from FSC certified sources. Sustainability is very important to me, so I obviously like the recycled packaging. Ideaure also offers 3 to 5 day free shipping as well as a 2-year warranty on all of your pieces. So these pieces really do make the perfect gift, especially these fidget rings. If you or someone in your life is a big fidgeter, maybe they pick their nails a lot, pick their skin a lot, they're always touching and twirling their hair, maybe think about getting them a fidget ring from Ideaure. I also have a code for you guys. I can put it on the screen here and also link it in the description. Again, everything will be linked in the description. Thank you again to Ideaure for sponsoring this video. I cannot wait to wear my fidget rings and hopefully cut back on all of the bad habits I have with picking my nails, my skin, and my hair. If you are also a fidgeter or you know a fidgeter, definitely check out Ideaure for fidget rings and as well as other jewelry. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.